Imagine a world where machines think, learn, and even predict the future. Sounds like science fiction, right? But what if it's not fiction, but our reality? Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing every industry it touches. And it's not just about robots taking over our jobs. It's about harnessing the power of machine learning to create solutions that were unimaginable a few decades ago. Take the healthcare industry, for example. In 2021, Google's DeepMind developed an AI system that outperformed humans in diagnosing certain eye diseases. The system was trained on thousands of retinal scans to recognize patterns and make predictions. It's not replacing doctors, but providing them with a tool that can help them make more accurate diagnoses. Or how about the automotive industry? Tesla, a name synonymous with innovation, is making self-driving cars a reality through AI. Their autopilot system uses machine learning to analyze real-time data from sensors around the car, enabling it to navigate roads, change lanes, and even park itself. AI is even making waves in the world of entertainment. Spotify, the music streaming giant, utilizes AI to analyze your listening habits and curate personalized playlists. It's not just about playing the hits, it's about discovering new music tailored to your taste. And let's not forget about the impact of AI on the environment. IBM's Green Horizon project is using AI to predict air pollution patterns and provide solutions for cleaner air. This technology could revolutionize the way we tackle environmental challenges and pave the way for a greener future. But it's not just big corporations that are benefiting from AI. Farmers in India are using AI-powered apps to monitor crop health and predict yields, helping them make informed decisions and increase productivity. These examples barely scratch the surface of AI's potential. It's transforming industries, improving efficiency, and creating solutions to some of our biggest challenges. To summarize, AI is not just about machines taking over. It's about using technology to enhance human capabilities and improve our lives. From healthcare to entertainment, from environment to agriculture, AI is changing the way we live and work. It's not science fiction, it's our reality, and it's just the beginning. The future of AI is full of possibilities, and it's exciting to think about where it will take us next. So, next time you hear about AI, remember it's not just about robots. It's about a future where machines help us solve problems, make better decisions, and create a world that's smarter, safer, and more efficient. Welcome to the future. Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence.